Everyone needs to find a good retirement plan to ensure their future even after their working years. Currently, one of the best ways to do so is to invest on a gold IRA. But what is a gold IRA? Here's a simple guide to illustrate. What are gold IRAs? An IRA or individual retirement account is basically a savings account that provides a great advantage in terms of tax payments. An IRA should not be mistaken for an investment. An IRA is simply a basket wherein assets such as bonds, stocks and funds are kept. Some IRA custodians accept gold and precious metals as investments. These accounts are known as gold IRAs. The IRS, Internal Revenue Service, places strict rules and regulations on gold IRAs. However, because gold and other precious metals will never lose their value, they are ideal mediums to secure a retirement fund with. Why invest in gold IRA? There are certain advantages to understanding what is a gold IRA and investing in it. The most notable are tax breaks and protection against inflation. Tax breaks. Depending on what type of IRA is chosen, investors are given large tax breaks. For instance, a traditional IRA permits investors to place assets in their accounts without having to pay any taxes up front. This allows their assets to grow without the burden of taxes. Investors are only charged taxes when they reach their retirement age and start withdrawing the money. On the other hand, a Roth IRA requires that investors pay their initial shares of income tax. However, during their retirement years, they enjoy non-taxable income. Other forms of IRAs such as SEP, simple and contributions follow the basic tax breaks. They only differ in the contribution methods. Inflation scares. Inflation is the steady rise of the prices for goods and services. As prices increase, the value of money decreases. This means money today won't be able to buy the same number of goods next year. Similarly, if too much paper money is printed, money loses its value. Many theorists believe that the era of paper money will soon come to an end and the US dollar will end its term as the world reserve currency. Gold, on the other hand, has the ability to withstand inflation and hold its value. In fact, it is the only form of money that has lasted for 5 millennia. Its stability in the market makes gold a better investment option for retirement. What can be invested gold IRAs? Not all precious metals and gold coins are acceptable investments in gold IRAs. They need to have a certain level of purity for them to be accepted. 1. Gold bullion bars need to have pureness of at least 0.995% to be allowed in IRAs. 2. Collectible coins are not acceptable investments. 3. The South African Kruger rand, despite being a well-known gold coin, is not an acceptable investment. That's because it only has a fineness of 0.9167%. 4. The American Gold Eagle, despite only having a fineness of 0.9167%, is an acceptable investment. 5. Popular coins allowed in IRAs are the Australian Gold Nugget, American Buffalo and the Canadian Maple Leaf. Due to the uncertainty of the economy, gold is the best answer for investors who need to hold on to a certain level of stability. That said, investors need to know what is a gold IRA and understand how it works before investing in one. For those who need a bit more help, Regal Assets can assist investors with their gold IRA needs.